So the Lange twins are identical twin brothers, my dad and my uncle, and they started Lange twins as a farming operation roughly about 40 years ago. But it was just in the last 20 years that we started making our own wine. So as a generational company, sustainability is huge for us. It's, responsible use of water. Water is our most crucial resource. Another huge resource is the soil. So how do we regenerate the soil? We do it by planting cover crops in the fall and winter, and then cultivating those cover crops in to act as kind of a green manure. So we look at sustainability as an all-encompassing effort. And so we don't just look unilaterally or in one way at what's going on in the vineyard. So we are on a continuum. We're never going to arrive at, oh, we're sustainable. So this is, how do we take steps and keep making progress in what we're doing in the vineyards, but also how we're running our business, what we're doing for our employees, what we're doing amongst the vineyards with our habitat restoration projects, so that we can continue to reduce our impacts on the environment and on these lands that I intend to pass down to the next generation, and increase the positive impacts on that same land.